So in the last video, we already discussed about creating a project. Already base project we have created. We have this much modules: account, master, sales, expense, and report. So account is related to login, registration, and logout. Only the three parts will come there. So we'll look on to account alone. So that section, that module only we are going to develop. So we need a login page, a registration page, and the logout page. Logout page is simply just a redirection. So that here in Django, we know that Django is flexible. So we have an option to create an application for each section. So first for the account, we'll create an app. For the reusability purpose, we are keeping a separate app. So you may be confusing. We are using already project and we are using an app. So this is one of the beauty of the Django. So we can create separate application inside the same project. So here we are going to create an application called account. So how to create that? For that we have a command, same like Python, manage.py, then start app account. Or let's say it created a folder called account. In this we having different files like admin, apps, models, test, and views. So in the first section we already discussed Django is a model view template. It's like MVC, same like MVC. This is the another concept, model view template concept. We'll discuss details when we go into the development stage. So this is only starting stage. We created that account startups. That's just an application we created. So this is the base. Now what we have to do is we have to create a page, right? Already we having home page. So should I create a link for the login and a page link for registration and for the logout. So that's all simple task we having. So that we have to create. For that, what we have to do is already in the POS we having URLs, right? Just you'll copy that file and you have to paste here. So here I'm using Visual Studio Code Editor. You can use your own editor. Then I'll open that URL in Code Editor. Here I'm going to change. I'll keep that import path alone there. And the URL pattern, I just add. If it is home page, it should code view dot login. This is just a syntax of the URL pattern. Should call view login. Then we have to open view